morning. I'm just starting my day. Got to fuel up. I'm still headed to Kentucky. I just picked this load up yesterday, if you remember, in Alabama. I'm in Tennessee right now. Just going the rest of the way to my delivery in Kentucky. It's a pretty nice Circle K. It couldn't have been too long ago that they built this. Nice paved parking lot. Plenty of spaces, especially for a Circle K. Alright, that's enough on this side. I be forgetting sometimes to put on my cap. Yeah, it's a pretty nice Circle K. Pretty big too. I thought this side would be finished by now. Now I gotta get some depth. I don't need much depth. I just always top it off. That depth expensive. I just top it off so you know the bill won't be that high. I really don't like continuously dumping that, that depth on top of that new depth on top of old depth. But I don't want it to get too low and then it costs $40, $50, $60, to fill up. So that's why I always top it off. Alright, well, let's get on back down the road. Get on down here to Kentucky. Make sure my top on good. We're coming up on the first of the year, so I don't know if we're gonna be working or not, but we will see. We will see. I need to be working so that paycheck won't be short, but we'll see. So I made it here safe and sound, here in Russellville, Kentucky. Getting ready to get unloaded, just waiting for the forklift driver to come and get me and take me over to the unloading area. Headed down to the unloading area. All right, so let's get unloaded. Almost dropped it. That was a good catch. I need one of them lighter bars. I thought it was gonna be colder than this, but it really ain't even that cold. A lot of times I be overdressing. Definitely tight. That one going nowhere. Later. Yep, there's a mess in here, but it's hard to keep it straight now with, you know, with driving around hitting bumps. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all y'all. I wouldn't mind just hauling that. It seems a lot more simple than the individual ingots that I got. As you can see right there, there's more straps and, you know, but I would rather haul that right there. That's just one huge piece. And it's lower to the trailer deck. loaded. Now I gotta head over to Princeton, Kentucky. Yep. I thought this is a spot that I was coming to again. I haven't been here in a while, but this is only my second time being here. But the only thing I don't like is just the way their property is. All this mud and dirt. But it's cold, so hopefully it's like hard and not mushy. You know, the first time I was here, you know, I didn't get stuck, but it was just so soft and mushy, you know. But hopefully it's not like that this time. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. I wonder where everybody at. Oh, 30 minutes? It's just starting? Okay, cool. I'm gonna move my tarps. I can't remember if they needed all the space or not, but I think I'm gonna move them anyway. Save myself a little hand work. Thought I was gonna have to struggle with it. can't hook it right because these things are bent in.
All right, let's get loaded. I used to work for that company right there. That's PGT. Well, I worked for the partnering company. It was called King Transportation. Alright, so this is my finishing product. This load is going down to Rayville, Alabama, Louisiana. Rayville, Louisiana. All right, making a little stop right quick. Making my coffee again. And when I do that, I might as well stop and look at the truck. But now we're in Caruthersville, Missouri. I'm just going through a little bit of Missouri, then a little bit of Mississippi, which is where I live, and on down to Louisiana. So yeah, it's getting to be about that time of the day when, you know, I be needing me a little coffee. Start getting tired. But yeah, everything is good. Nice simple load. I love loads like this. Any truck driver will tell you that. All right, still got about 5 hours to drive. I'm not gonna be able to make it all the way to the delivery tonight because I don't see any more places to park. So therefore, I don't know if I want to keep on going and see if I run across somewhere to park, or do I just want to stop at the last truck stop. I like to get as close as I can, but if not, I'll just stop at that last truck stop. All right, my coffee should be through making. Let's get on back down the road. Oh man. All right. We got that day over with, y'all. Yeah, I had to find me a place to park. I was trying to go as far as I could go, so this is gonna be where I'm gonna be at tonight. Nice quiet area. Plenty of lights. Nice wide shoulder. So hey, that's good. That's good. Y'all make sure y'all pray for me, for my safety out here on the road. Got a family back at the house. Out here working hard. I always say a prayer for me if y'all don't mind, please. This is where I'm gonna end this video at. It's been my first vlog that I did. So if you enjoyed this video, just hit the like button and leave a comment if you would like to, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button for me. Follow me on this journey and, you know, catch all the videos that you can. I'm uploading them all the time. But yeah, thank God for the safe ending of another day. Thank God for his traveling mercies. Thank God for just keeping me safe and watching over me. Got that light out right there. But that's all right though. That's not a big deal, but I'll get that fixed at some point. Yeah. So everything is good. Be sure to stay tuned for more vlogs. I'm gonna try to start doing more vlogs. If it don't work out, then I'll just do regular videos. But I appreciate all of y'all. Thank you for those that have subscribed. Thank you for all of those that just watched the video. And most importantly, thank you for all of you all that watched the whole video to the end. God is good. I appreciate all of y'all. Y'all be safe. Be sure to tune in for more videos. And I'm going to end this video right here. Y'all have a blessed night. And Happy New Year.